Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, why is this so difficult? Why is this so difficult? I've been sitting here laughing at this camera. I've been sitting here laughing at this camera for so long. It is difficult to do a sit down video. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it has been a minute and a half in this channel. I'm not joking, it has been more than an hour in this channel. I took a break and the break turned into a year holiday out from YouTube. And yeah, I took a break. I did not know that the break is going to turn into a long vacation. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. Um, if you're new here, my name is Justina, and I have been out of YouTube for over a year and a half. So I took a break, and you all know when you take a break, it becomes hard for you to get back into the routine of things. So, what am I saying? Yeah, took a break off to YouTube, and I found it very hard getting back to the routine of things. But with you people looking for me and finding me, some of you have found me on Instagram and leaving message and there, when am I coming back to YouTube? And some of you have left message on some of my video looking for me and wondering where have I been. So with wonderful people like you looking out for me and looking everywhere for me, I have to get back to doing YouTube. But the main reason why this break extended to a full-on vacation was because of my health. Now, I have an illness that cannot be cured. If you don't know, I did this video in my other channel. I have another channel where I do sit down video and all that. It's called Simply Justina. I did a video there where I was talking about my illness, how I got diagnosed and all those stuff. I have underactive thyroid, and if you don't know what underactive thyroid is, the best way to explain it to you is, if you are a car, thyroid is your petrol. Now, if that car does not have a petrol, the car is not going to move. So thyroid is something that regulates your whole body, like your system, everything that happens in your body. It filters it and it regulates your body. And if you don't have it, then your body find it hard to do stuff or have energy to do stuff. In the past, they used to refer to people that have underactive thyroid as a lazy people, because research has shown that people that have underactive thyroid sleep more, need more sleep than normal people. So you're tired constant, like you're tired all the time. It does not matter if you get full night sleep, 7 hours sleep, 8 hours sleep, you're still tired, because your system is no longer like a normal person's system. Now, I do take tablets every day to help me to give me the thyroid that I am lacking, but it's still not the same as somebody that have a normal thyroid. So where am I getting into? If you want to watch a full-on video about the thyroid, go over to my other channel, or I will leave a link for you to click and go over there. But taking the break actually helped my system and helped my illness, because I found out that YouTube is stressful, mental, physical, it is stressful in all angles, stressful. Now, as a person that have a full-time job, you still have to do your full-time job and then shoot YouTube videos on your off days, which is super stressful, like super stressful. You do not have time in between to rest. Your system do not have time to rest and recover from, going to work, and you're using your spare time to shoot videos and editing in the midnight at night. Like, sometimes I do be editing till 12 midnight, 1 a.m. So it wasn't helping my system. And when I was doing it, I didn't know that it wasn't helping my system. And if you all can remember, I used to put out a video like 3 times a week, 4 times a week. Like, I was consistent. I was on the, I was like, yeah, let's do this. I was super consistent with putting out a video and making content, which was affecting my system. I kept going back and front to my doctor because my system wasn't functioning properly. My neighbor has a dog and is barking constantly. So at the time when I was doing YouTube, I did not know that it was doing a whole lot of damage on my system until I take a break. But I remember going to my doctor all the time complaining, oh my God, I don't think my thyroid medication is working. And bear in mind, I am on the 100 gram of the medication. Like, the way they give the medication is that when you take blood tests, they will check the percentage you need, what percentage are you lacking, and then they will give you the medication according to the percentage you're lacking. Now, some people can take 20%, 30, 50. I am taking 100% of the medication, like 100 gram of the medication. That's, I have no, like, it means I have no thyroid. Like, I'm draining the little thyroid I have. I have no thyroid at all. So I used to go to my doctor all the time complaining about my thyroid, is not functioning properly, is not working properly. I'm not sure my medication is working properly. And they used to send me to hospital all the time to do blood tests. Now, if you have thyroid, you will do your blood test 3 months or 6 months, like in a year. You do like every 3 months or every 6 months. But I was doing a consistency because my system was not working fine. I look tired all the time. I look drained all the time. I'm so knackered all the time. Every tiny minute I get, I just want to take a rest and take a nap. And that was because I was putting my system through a lot of things, going to work full time, coming home, and then spending the time that I need to take a break to do YouTube, which was a whole lot. And to anyone that shoot recipe content, I'm gonna give you a thumbs up, because recipe content takes a lot. It takes a lot of planning. It takes a lot of, like a lot of energy. You need to check your ingredients. If you don't have, you need to buy. It takes a lot of preparation for you to actually get to the final end of filming it. It takes a lot. And then filming that, sitting down, eating it, you do want to consume the food, immediately after you have cooked it. It was a lot on my system, and I did not notice, I did not pay attention to what my body was telling me. If I keep pushing myself to that limit, my doctor was telling me I am going to eventually collapse someplace on the road, anywhere, and I might not be alive. Seriously, it's not a joke. You will faint and you can die because you have drained your system. Now, welcome to my life anyway. But I do want to be back on YouTube, but I don't think I'm looking for something else to do that will be a little bit easier on the on my system. I don't think I want to do recipe video regularly now. I might do it every now and then, but I don't want it to be done regularly. I know some of you are here because of the recipe and the mukbang, but because my system is not gonna cope with that kind of video, I do want to switch. I do want to switch a content that I do. Still may be related to food content, but I don't want to be doing recipe videos all the time. I would do recipe once in a while and maybe mukbang once in a while, but I want to switch content. So if you have any idea, you can throw it on me. I'm willing for suggestion, because I keep asking myself, okay, going back to YouTube, what do I want to do now? What is my direction? Where am I heading? And being that most of my subscribers came here for food and eating, I still want it to be something related to that. But I am still gonna listen to my system, because I do not want to drain myself. Now, let's assume that this was my full-time job. This is where I make all my money. No problem, I can do that and then take a break. And we're forgetting that most of all these big YouTubers have people that is helping them shoot content, helping them edit content, helping them. They have employed people, whereby we that does not have money to employ people, we do the shooting, we do the planning, we do the editing, we do the everything, and it takes a lot of time to do that. And with my system, I do not want to be pushing myself to that limit again, because YouTube is not paying me enough to do that to myself, and it is not my main source of income. Whatever I'm getting on YouTube at the moment cannot even pay my light bills or my gas bills. But is something that I want to grow until I get to that point. But I still do not want to sacrifice my health in order to do that. And also the eating, because my system finds it hard to digest. Like somebody that have underactive thyroid, you're bloated all the time, you have constipation. So that eating a lot is still not good for my system, because my digestive system is not working fine like a normal person digestive system. But guys, I miss you all. I know you guys miss me because I have gotten so many messages looking and missing me, and also praying for me. I enjoy the prayer. Like, most of you are like, are you well? Is your family okay? I pray that you're okay. That shows a level of caring. It's only people that cares about you that much will worry about you and your family, which I really appreciate. I think coming back, that is what is making me to come back, because I have grown a subscribers of people that really want me and that really wish me well, and that means a whole lot to me. Like, it means a whole lot that some people out there that do not know me personally cares about me and my well-being, and that is very touching. Anyway guys, we are back, but I honestly don't know where this channel is going, but I do want to be back. So if you have any suggestion, any kind of video suggestion that you guys might like, that I am willing to do, and that is not too much on my system, because I do not want to push my system to the limit. Before I quit YouTube, I was really struggling. My system was doing so bad, and now I wake up, I'm fine. I'm not drained, I'm not tired, I'm not feeling dizzy, I'm not lightheaded, I'm not struggling. Like, even people at work do tell me, you look different. Like, your face has come back to life. You know, you're busting of energy, whereby before I'll be like struggling. I'll be struggling with energy and all that. And yeah, My illness cannot be cured, but it's something that you can live with and manage with, and you will be fine. So, hey, thank you. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for listening. And I hope you and your family are doing just well and just fine. Me and my family are doing good. I'm in my boys' room. They can't wait to kick me out because I kicked them out to do this video. They have this massive window in front and light just ooze in, and I'm like, this is where I'm going to do it because the light in here is very nice. So they can't wait to be like, get away from here. Let's come in and watch TV or do whatever they do. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I miss you guys so much. I miss every one of you. And I am glad to be back. Like, I forced practically kick myself to the ground to sit here. I keep saying, okay, I need to do this coming back video. I need to do this. I need to do, but it just, I keep pushing it back because when I think of it, I'm like, ooh, do I really want to stress my life? Do I really want to stress myself? Do I really want to stress the little energy I have? But I do want to be back because you guys care. But I don't know what we're gonna do in this channel. Let me know if you have any suggestion, anything you want me to do. And I do want to move forward with this channel. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. Do not forget to what do they say, like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you all on my next one.